I'm Dr. Amber. I'm a small animal rehabilitation veterinarian, and I specialize in healthy aging and advanced geriatric pet care. And a question I got asked yesterday was, did I wait too long to get here? And the answer is no. You get where you need to get when you need to get there. Most of us are very diligent pet parents and do all you can all the time. It is not realistic to expect that you would be able to predict where cases are going to end, where your patient's going to land, and where your pet is going to be, where you are at this moment, right? So if I have a young dog who had a neurologic episode when they were young, it's not realistic for me to predict when that neurologic case is going to change, right? You can also only listen to what your pet is telling you. And sometimes we don't, me too, always listen in the beginning, but we listen when it's important. So knowing what to do and knowing what is next and trying to predict where we'll land in the future is tough. But there are sometimes some guidelines, and this is where having your veterinarian as a resource is a good option, right? If you have a neurologic pet who's young and you are able to monitor and track them so you can see what is normal, what is abnormal, then when they get older and the abnormal is becoming the normal, then you know you need to do more, whether that is change your treatment, see a specialist, find a rehab professional, or graduate to hospice and palliative care. That's all okay. But it'll happen when it's supposed to happen. And our pets are so good at hiding stuff. And we are so good at making things as okay as we can for as long as possible. We help them eat. We find foods that eat. We modify our houses. We modify their walks. We do a lot to make it easier on them when they are not able to do it on their own. So you get to where you need to be when you need to be there. So there shouldn't be regret of, I should have done this sooner. You can only do as much as you can do. So just remember that, and remember you are great pet parents because you are trying and you are doing everything you can. You can't do more than you can do. So just remember that, and everyone have a great day.